Alright, guys. Merry Christmas to me. Package just came in. And y'all know where it's from. Pretty stoked about this one. Let me go ahead and grab some scissors or something to break this bad boy open. We'll be back. Alright, gonna open this upside down because my info is underneath. So let's open this up. Oh, oh. Here, open it up here. That should be it. Trying to do all this with one hand while recording. Okay, there we go. That, and that. Alright. Take out this paper. Oh, okay, I'll throw that right here. We got one. Oh, did they mark them? Well, that's the first time I get a angling AI mode that's marked. Okay. Two. Put them off right here. Three. I had to make the best out of this Christmas deal. And they're C-block, and unfortunately, my QMI that I ordered last week has not been sent out yet. So I can't try this out. What a shame. Hopefully they ship my dough injector out soon. I know it was Christmas, but I know it was the week of Christmas. I just thought it would get shipped out before. But I guess we'll see Monday. Because it's Friday now after Christmas. Hopefully it gets shipped out Monday. So that's just information. We get the Angling AI sticker. Put that here. Let me check this paperwork off camera. Nothing important. Just don't see if there's any notes or something. Oh, I guess C-block instructions. We'll keep that. Put that to the side. Alright, so that is it. Now let's see what we have here. First mode. Open this bad boy up. Which one is this one? Oh, these are our tail modes for the hammer. Well, now you know what one of these modes is. Alright, we got a tail mode. We'll actually set that right here like that. Move that out the way. I'm guessing this is the hammer. That's pretty cool that they marked it, because I would have went and done it myself. Save me the trouble. And yep, here we go, the hammer. Gorgeous. Their machining is... Oh, check that out. Ooh. Somebody's gonna have to put me on game on this. What is this and what does it do? Does it split the colors up better? I did not know it came with that. Alright. Let's go ahead and put that to the side. So we have our tail mode. So we have our So we have our tail mode and our hammer mode. Now, let's open this bad boy up. This one I'm excited for. Bam! The Vexus. Check that out. Beautiful modes, man. They do great work, nice quality. I mean, the detail is just crazy. Can't wait to shoot these. I mean, I was hoping to shoot all this with a new injector, but you know. Anyways, look forward to the next video. Actually, I got one video before I put shooting this one out. So this is gonna be pretty neat. I'm gonna think about some pretty crazy colors we could do on these. But thank y'all for watching, for subscribing, liking, commenting, sharing. As always, tell someone to tell someone, because you know that's how we get the channel out. 5K, on the road to 5K still. When we hit that milestone, we're doing the giveaway. I got some stone modes, and I also got some do it modes. We might give one away. We might give a reel away. We might give a gift card. Who knows? But until we hit that milestone, we won't know. So tell somebody. Subscribe, like, comment, join this giveaway. Till next time, I love y'all all. Deuce.